students. Today I am going to discuss with you an important treatment of non-profit organization. The treatment is of general and specific fund. I just have make a format so that you can easily understand how to deal with different kind of items. Balance sheet is here. Any fund is of capital nature, that's why they are in liability side. First of all, capital fund given in question. Add asset in progress. If any asset is in progress, then it will be added in capital fund as well as in asset side, because now it will become your asset. So any asset in progress. Now we have, if any kind of specific fund is given in question, like pavilion fund, match fund, prize fund, any fund, you will write here any specific fund opening balance which is given in question. Then add total interest on fund investment. Total interest means interest according to percentage. Interest according to percentage. So add total interest plus donation for specific fund. If any donation received for that fund, that should be added. Plus sale of tickets. For example, match fund is there, so sale of tickets will be added in that fund. All these items will increase that fund, that's why they should be added. Less expenses of specific fund. If match fund is there, then less match expenses. If prize fund is there, then less prize expenses. Plus any asset in progress. We have three treatment of asset in progress. Firstly, it should be added in capital fund. Secondly, it should be less from specific fund. And thirdly, it should be shown as an asset. One more thing. If total of expenses of specific fund are more than the total fund, then the difference should be in expenses side. For example, total of all these funds will become 10 lakh. And expenses are 11 lakh. So we will less here 10 lakh. And 1 lakh should be transferred as expenses. 1 lakh should be transferred as expenses in income and expenditure account. So keep it in mind. Here, any specific fund investment like match fund investment or any investment, keep it in mind that percentage should always given with investment. So interest accrued on investment should be there. How you will calculate interest accrued? Total interest minus received interest. Total interest minus received interest. For example, 10% investment of 1 lakh. So 10% of 1 lakh will be 10,000. And interest given in question 7,000 only. So that means 3,000 is accrued interest. So it should be shown as an asset side. But keep it in mind, I write here total interest. So total interest 10,000 will be added in specific fund. For example, the fund is of 50,000. So total interest added 10,000. Donation for specific fund you can predict 10,000. Sale of tickets may be 5,000. So total will be 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 5. 75 is there. And match expenses are 70,000. So 5,000 will be transferred in balance.